Okay, here is everything I'm taking Wednesday when we get off the plane. We all need to be ready to get off the plane, onto the shuttles, and go directly to the trailhead. So I suggest you have your day pack already ready. I'm taking this light day pack. The backpack will have, so ease of packing, I'm going to put clothes, a couple of clothes I need in my backpack that will be hauled to Four Pines after they drop us off. They'll take my full backpack there. Then after we hike that Wednesday and we get there, I'll be able to take this stuff out and put it back in my backpack and take whatever I needed extra for Saturday night back in my day pack, and then they can bring that to us Saturday, and then we'll check in the hotel and have it. So this is just what I'm taking. You do you. The old hike your own hike, but weight means a lot. We're going to go over some very tough terrain in 5 miles. If we start noon or after, it's going to we're not going to be early getting into Four Pines. So let me go over this real quick. We're calling for rain. I'm taking my rain jacket, the blue jacket. This is a rain skirt, weighs nothing. I'm going ahead and take my tripod. This is a ground cloth I can lay down if I decide to rest or sit on something. Take toilet paper. I think I've got some wet wipes or flush stuff there. My trowel. Take your water filter. I'm doing that because I probably won't need it. I can go 5 miles normally with a liter or a liter and a half pretty easy. I don't know what the temperature is going to be, but I'm taking the water filter. There should be water on the way. But I will only take about a liter, maybe a slight amount. That's a liter bottle. You can see I've got half of that, and I've got a full 0.6. So just barely over a liter. Water weighs 2.2 pounds per liter. I'm going to take these protein bars, and I'm planning on taking either trail mix, probably maybe a little trail mix, but either getting a couple of sandwiches Tuesday night and packing those, or making peanut butter and jelly and packing those in case I need it. I could probably just be fine Wednesday afternoon with just protein bars and trail mix. My neck knife, little Fireball. That's one luxury items. Fireball, a couple of cigars. Eddie, don't forget yours. Also, then the only other thing is my umbrella. And I'm taking both poles because when you're going down, especially going down and sometimes across things, I've thought about not taking them for that day, but I'll make that final decision. But I'll probably take them just as a shock absorber. I've had ankle problems, so probably want to make sure I have it. Anyway, those are some suggestions. You decide what you want to take in your day pack, but again, please be ready to get off of the plane. Maybe we'll draw a little water from the airport and then hop in the shuttle, which I think Eddie said there's going to be like 3 cars to take us. I suggest you not bring suitcases because there's going to be 12 of us in 3 cars, and that would be your backpack and a suitcase and your day pack, each person. I don't think there's going to be room for it. Get whatever you need in your backpack for Saturday as well, and take like this for the day pack for our Wednesday hike, and then we'll move things around when we get to Four Pines. Also, Four Pines is, I think Eddie's arranged for them for dinner Wednesday night and breakfast Thursday morning. So we will only need dinners for 2 nights, whatever you're going to eat for 2 nights, and 2 mornings, because we're going to have Thursday morning and we need Friday morning, Saturday morning. Everything else, so you should be able to pack food very light as well. So we should be pretty light for our hike. Also, what I didn't touch on, I think what I missed was I am taking a battery pack, and I'm taking my headlamp. You never know. That I always feel like I need, just in case we're running late, we start getting dark. I'm going to take my headlamp. And in case I need, I'm obviously my cell phone, which I'm using to record this, and a battery pack so I can recharge if need be. Turns out my total weight without in the backpack itself is 8.9 pounds. Now, by the time I add maybe a sandwich, half a sandwich or something, it'll be a little bit over 9 pounds. That's just the day pack. I'm my regular backpack, because we're only going to have 2 nights and 2 breakfasts needed. And I'd use, like I said, a liter, maybe a liter and a half of water. Should be around 22 to 24 pounds. That's just with my equipment and stuff that I'm taking.